Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Orlando, and today we're gonna be continuing on how do you get into real estate with no money down, and we're gonna talk about a controversial strategy here, right? Is using credit cards to get into your first rental property. And I'm gonna explain how I feel about that. Con number 3 is this. I've seen it happen so many times when individuals use credit cards to purchase real estate is the credit card issuer cancels your credit card because they're saying that you're high leverage. You're meaning the utilization is so high. Your max is $40,000 and you've maxed it out. Or maybe you got 4 credit cards at $10,000 each and they're all maxed out at $10,000. A credit card issuer does not like that. I mean, that means that you're borrowing above your means and that you possibly are probably gonna miss some payments, that possibly they can be left with a debt and have to, write it off or whatever. And they don't want that. Banks, credit card companies, they don't want that, guys. They don't want that. So they will abruptly just cancel credit cards. And what does that mean for you? That means that if they cancel your credit card, you're gonna owe them the money back like that, right? So just be aware that that could happen. Once again, we underneath the understanding, guys, that you don't have the 40K or 50K or whatever the down payment was immediately to pay off what you use for the credit card. You don't have that. So you probably won't have it when the credit card company cancels the card. And then let's talk about con number 4. This will destroy your credit. And what do I mean by this? Because of the utilization. Once again, you're maxing out your utilization almost to 100% or at 100%. You're gonna drop so far down when it comes to the hard work it took you to get into the 700s or 680 or above or whatever. Wherever you came from, wherever your score was before, it's going to get decimated because of the high utilization that you're having on your credit and your credit cards. So you have to be wary of that. And I'm going to add on to this con, DTI. So the debt to income is going to be really high too. All of a sudden, if you look at your amount of debt that you have versus your income, that portion is going to look very bad also. I can almost guarantee you, you will be over the 40%, 50%, probably into the 60, 70, 80% of debt to income. An investment, guys, you have to remember, this is an investment. An investment has knocked you all the way past 50% of your income. That's not good. We're trying to make you money, right? I'm not trying to make you lose money. I'm not trying to make your net worth negative. And that's what's going to happen when you use credit cards as a down payment. And I know, guys, look, this is a cautionary video. I think it's very important. I'm trying to let everyone know that using credit cards isn't the way to go. It's not even the best way or whatever. It's just not a way to go. There are too many cons. On top of that, let's just say the way that you're going to pull money out of that is you're normally going to do a cash advance. So what do credit card companies do? And what do they know about this, guys? They know that you're gonna pull the money out. And if you decided to pull cash out of your credit card, they're gonna charge you a fee, 5%. 5% is what you're gonna get charged for a cash advance fee. Now let's just do the math on that. So $40,000 times 5% is $2,000. That $2,000 is what you have to pay immediately. So to even access the down payment money, you're paying $2,000. Let's not add in the 26% that you're gonna pay on top of the $2,000, which could be thousands of dollars a month. And let's say you get so far deep into the hole that it takes you years to pay this off. Guys, I'm not gonna even do the math because it's gonna be mind-boggling, blowing. Just don't do it, guys. I can ramble all day long about this. Just don't do it. It's not a good idea. It will put you behind. And I'm trying to make you money on your deals, not make you lose. So once again, this is a cautionary tale of what not to do when it comes to the no money down, get into your first property scenario. So I hope you got value out of this video. I'm gonna get you into your first rental property, as I always say. And if you want to continue to learn how to get into your first rental property, I need you to watch this next video. It will help you. It will continue on with your knowledge, understanding the real estate game, how to get into your first rental property. I'm telling you, you won't miss out. It's some good stuff here. So I'll catch you on the next one, and thank you. Thank you. I appreciate you for watching. Thanks.